I just received a squishy package. Oh my god. Okay. Let's get started. Oh my god. Okay. So the first thing I'm gonna pull out. Okay, I have no idea what this is. It's a chick! Oh my god! This is so squishy. Oh my god. This is so soft. Oh my god, it's so squishy, I can't stop squishing it. Oh my god, that was really soft. Next squishy. Oh my god, it's so cute. Oh my god, this is so squishy. Look how slow rising that is. It's so cute. Oh my god, look at the packaging. It's so cute, the packaging. It's like a bear and then there's a little rabbit. It's do not eat at the back. But, okay. Oh my god, it's a Ziploc. I'm gonna stop breathing. Oh my god. This is the best smelling squishy in my whole entire collection. This feels like a giant air bubble. What? You can literally see my handprints. I'm so sorry for the background noise. So it's super squishy. I love it so much. Oh my god, I really can't anymore with this package. The next thing, oh my god, I can't even put it back. The next thing I'm gonna put on. Okay, you guys get the first look. Okay. This is my Hello Kitty pancakes. Okay, it's super cute. Oh my god, that looks so cool because like the butter is like glossy. But yeah, this tag is annoying. Okay, but here's the tag. This is like the pricing. Oh my god, this is not focusing. Then Hello Kitty tag. And then oh my god, the little bow. Next, and this is like the same deal. That's like really annoying. Done. Okay, next. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is my first bun squishy ever. I didn't have any bun squishies and you guys know it. It's a jumbo cat bun. Oh my god. Okay, the first time squishing a bun squishy. Oh my god, super squishy. Oh my goodness. Oh, here's this with that. Oh my god, this is so squishy. Oh my god. Okay, that's oh, that's it. Oh wait, I found another item. Huh? Okay, so I'm definitely pretty sure I did not order this, so definitely guessing this is an extra, but it's just like, what in the world is this called? Oh, so this is called Nido for some reason. Oh my god. These, you know the neck cover things? It's not that. It's so much squishier. I think it's like slime and then they put plate on it and they put water. Because like, oh my god. Oh my god, this is so cool. Good, you can hear it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. So that's it for the video. And my favorite item is definitely, try to guess. Where'd it go? Oh, definitely the cat bun, because it's my first bun squishy. I don't have a panda bun. I might get another package from Creamy Candy, so definitely look at that video. And yeah, so I'm gonna get one from Creamy Candy, and the grab bag I've heard, and I really want that. It's $130, but I think it comes with a Puni Maru Jumbo Strawberry. I'm really excited about that. But yeah, I'm gonna get a jumbo. I'm gonna get a huge grab bag. I'm gonna get some more squishies. They came out with a sushi roll. Oh my god, it's so cute. So the shout outs. Okay, let's see. Okay, the shout outs go to Nolan and Alessandra, so, and Sana. So thank you for watching my video. and definitely go check out my other friend's video. We're like best friends. So her name's Sana, and she has a YouTube channel called Sana Slimes. So definitely go check her out. And she is in some of my videos, so definitely go check her out. Bye.